Creators are today's new web publishers. They have YouTube channels that brands can buy media against and partner with for custom content. The problem is, advertisers need a lot of information that isn't publicly available to help them identify which YouTube channels to advertise on. Because of this information gap, brands' ads run on channels with the wrong audience. Or even worse, their ads end up on channels that aren't brand safe. That's why Channel Factory has launched a free platform called ViewIQ. ViewIQ puts information about creators and their channels right in front of advertisers. Audience data such as age, gender, and location, as well as knowing where creator channels get their traffic from. All this informs how suitable and brand safe they are. ViewIQ is a one-stop data marketplace between YouTube creators and advertisers. ViewIQ also provides advertisers with powerful audience-building tools, such as our custom audience segment feature. Advertisers can combine creators and their channels into customized, curated audience lists, organized by genre or any category they like. They can even take advantage of Channel Factory's tried and tested proprietary channel segments as well. Here are some of the select creators we're already working with. ViewIQ, connecting brands with creators and audiences. Click on the link below to get started today.